Hi, good morning. This is Flora's Place Shop. Well, am I a sight for sorry eyes? I was having a bad hair day and my son says, "What are you doing now?" And I says, "I'm making a mistletoe." Because obviously you can see in the background, I'm having a Christmas party this weekend. So I'm flying from the seat of my pants on this one. So come along, enjoy the journey. My glue gun, well, I call it glue gun, glue pan is getting all ready. It's getting hot. So I'm going to throw this together real simple. Okay, so you can see I paid $4 at the Dollar Tree. Okay? I bought my ribbon at Michael's. This is all from the Dollar Tree yesterday. And I'm going to do something for my party. Why would you go out and spend $30, $40 when you have this stuff already? Well, if you don't, you should go out because look at all the greens you got for, what was it, $2, $3, $4 for all that. You could make a wreath and this. Okay, so we're going to do this fast. So what I've done is there's a little loop. I kept the piece of paper on it so I knew where the middle was. And I'm going to put some glue on this. I'm going to cut it so it's nice and straight. And I'm going to put a bit of glue on it and fold it underneath so you don't see it. Which I have to clip down my little, for my glue stick. So anyway, we're going to do this quick. I just wanted to show you a last minute thing. I needed something for my party. And I thought, well, what the heck? What am I going to do? And I thought, haha, I know what I'm going to do. So there we go. Just glue it. Watch your fingers. You know what the glue's all about. And the strings. So there we go. We'll let that sit. And then I'm going to start putting in some picks. So what I'm going to do is start from the very top of the middle because I thought I was going to make a ribbon. But I'm going to put my greens in first and then I'm going to see where I'm going to put my ribbon because I might want to put my ribbon in here. But what I want to do is I want to trim this down and come through here and have this hanging so that it hangs from the ceiling and you give your little friend a kiss. I think I don't know a lot of people do this anymore. My mom used to do this all the time. And when I was a young kid, I used to say, "Mom, why is everybody in that corner always kissing?" And she'd say, "Kissing? Oh, honey, that's mistletoe." Oh. So since that day, long time ago, I've had a mistletoe. Haven't made kiss much, but I got a mistletoe. So I hope everybody's okay today. Well, we got a little bit of a snowstorm. I got up and it was 7 o'clock this morning. And I thought, holy moly, what just happened? And the snow came like crazy. Okay, getting back to my topiary. So I put those two picks in there. Look at that. It's all starting to look good. And you're going to have a lot left over. You can make a centerpiece too. Like I'm telling you, I'm trying to teach people on a budget because everybody doesn't have the money with everything that went on the last couple of years. Everybody likes pretty things still. Cheers them up at Christmas. Why can't they have something pretty on a budget? So there we go. I'm putting it in, pushing it down just like I would with a wreath. Okay, and what you do on one side, you do on the other and on there too. So I have one more, and I didn't even have to cut them off. They just came right off of the pick. So you can go like this. Now I can go like that in my glue pen. So now if you want some of these greens sticking up, you can go in between. There's lots of room, and you can bend it. Okay, so that's the starting of it, and I think it looks pretty cool. Right? So I'm going to keep this at the bottom and I'm going to turn it upside down. Now don't forget, you're going to be looking up. So you're gonna see this. So you just cut your picks off. 1, 2, and 3. So I'm gonna use silver because I have a lot of silver. Christmas time, silver is nice, just like New Year's. I make really nice New Year's Eve wreaths. I just ordered a couple of signs to make that for New Year's because I sold those out too. And they turned out really nice. So you'll have to stay tuned when I will film that and show you step by step what I did on a budget. So I'm going to snip this. I'm going to play with it. And I'm going to snip it a bit because I don't need that much hanging down. And okay, so this is going to be the middle. Here we flip it over. It's already there. We're going to flip it upside down. And we're going to fly from the seat of my pants and start gluing. And whatever happens, happens live. So I'm coming on with this funny hat, but I had a good idea. Because my girlfriends always say to me, well, that was a good video. What were you wearing? I said, what do you mean, what was I wearing? Well, I don't know. Just something out of my closet. So I'm going to do something too, so everybody gets a chance to see different things in my journey. And I'm going to come on here with different hats, different outfits. Yeah. And I'll tell you where it's from. On my Etsy shop, I have vintage clothing. I also have real jewelry. I just got to the point in my life and I thought, I don't need all that. Where am I going to wear that? You know, you get older, you do change. Things change. Well, we all know things change. I have a t-shirt that says, my body says no, my mind says, my body says no, my mind says go. And I do sell t-shirts, wreath t-shirts in my Etsy shop. I sell mugs, hardworking, for hardworking people, and they want to get their dad a mug. Yeah. So I've got a lot. So I'm going to be bringing some more jewelry to my website and some more clothes. Look at that. That looks pretty already. And so I thought, yeah, you know what? I'm going to wear something different all the time. And if they ask me where I got it from, or I'll tell them. Or if I'm selling it, why not? I don't need all that stuff. Maybe somebody else can use it. I've come to that in my life where share. Why not? Okay, so there we go. We've started it. Now you can put bulbs in here, like and it's off even because I'm not stopping and fixing and this and that. So you can put more in here. Let's try. Yeah. So you can just stick that in there. Little one there. And a little gold on the other side. And I would think I would go downstairs where all my stash is. And I would think about putting some little bulbs in there. Leftover stuff that you don't have, or berries. So that's kind of bent because it's been sitting. And I think I'm going to add a bow to it. And yeah, that's going to hang up in my front room. So everybody that passes over, they have to look up. They're going to see it and they'll say, well, who you standing beside? Give them a nice Merry Christmas kiss. So that's where I am with that. And when I'm finished with this, I will come back and show you my finished product. But I just thought I'd come on here and just wing it and see and just share it with you because everybody might want one of these. And then when you have the top and it's glued together, you can turn it around, bring it through, okay, right to the notch because there's a little tag there. I left it there so I know. Now you can't even see it. So that would be my mistletoe. So I hope everybody likes it, and I will talk to you soon. Hi, I'm back. So this is kind of what I was trying to get your attention on. So I'm just threw this together like in 10 minutes. So there's a lot of gaps in it. It needs some extra balls, but I just got some more of the pick. Like, I haven't even got time. I took the glue. But you could do something like this. And don't forget, it's hanging from the ceiling. Or you could cut all these and stick them in there too. But I just wanted to show you a brief what I started to do, and it's simple. You can make this on a budget too. So you can put more picks in there, and that's what I'm probably going to do. But I just wanted to end this video because I was just going to throw it together to put up on my ceiling for my party. Hi everybody, I'm back. I'm trying to fix my mistletoe. Well, this, you all saw what I started out with. If you can look right in here, the greens. And I only used one garland from the Dollar Tree with all the cones, all the berries. I added the gold, the ribbon. Now I'm going to turn to the back, and you can see some gold picks and ribbon. But I'm trying to make it look earthy, like not too much gold in there, just enough to give it that pop. And I think that's it. Look how big it turned out. You know what? This took me like 15 minutes, 10 minutes, and my gosh, like it turned out pretty nice, but I would tweak it more. But for now, I don't have time. I'm having a party, so I threw it together. I started at 8:30 and it's almost 9:30. So, it took me an hour. So there's the finished product. So this is my mistletoe, and this is what you can do on a budget. It got a little big, but I love it. So you guys have a great week, and I'll let you know how my Christmas party went. Take care.